Having the right certificates and keeping them up to date is essential for staying compliant and protecting your business. In Fergus, all certificates are saved directly to the job card, so you can easily send them alongside invoices or other correspondence. Certificates are a paid add-on, so make sure this feature is enabled before you start. In this video, we'll walk through how to complete the NSW Electrical Work Certificate. Note, this certificate can only be completed on Fergus Desktop, not in the Fergus Go app. First, we need to set up the certificate. Go to Settings and select Certificates from the left-hand menu. Find the New South Wales Electrical Work Certificate and tick the users who can sign and complete it. For each user, click the pencil icon and enter their license number and other required details. Now we need to attach and complete the certificate. Open the relevant job card and from the Tools section in the left-hand menu, select Certificates. Click Create New Certificate in the top right, then choose the New South Wales certificate. You can select an installer and tester under the autofill drop-down at the top of the certificate. Then fill out the required fields. You can switch between preview and edit mode, save a draft at any time, and click Complete Certificate when you're done. Completing it creates a PDF, which is automatically saved in the Jobs Files and Photos section. Once a certificate is complete, it can't be edited. Finally, an email draft will automatically appear when completing the certificate. You can either cancel this email if you don't wish to send it out, or you can proceed by ensuring the correct emails are in the To and CC sections. Then click Send Email in the bottom right. You can also come back to this and send it later by clicking the 3 dots next to the completed certificate and selecting Send. And that's it, you've set up, completed and sent a fully compliant New South Wales Electrical Work Certificate, all within Fergus.